Welcome. In this video, I want to go over the metric scale of the ruler. This is the English scale with the inches, and this we're going to go over. This is the millimeters and centimeter scale. And just basically on the metric system, just a kind of a basic review here. This is for units of length. So we've got 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. It's also equal to 1,000 millimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. And so these are the scales we're going to learn how to use and just make sure we understand how to use this. So this is going to be the 10 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's your 10 millimeters. It makes a centimeter. 20 makes 2 centimeters. So let's do some basic, draw some lines and do some measurements for practice here. Okay, here's going to be our line. Now, putting the scale, we got to put this scale right there. We go over here and we realize it's over 60, so we'll do it in centimeters and then we'll do it in millimeters. Okay, so it's 6. Now, it looks like if that's a half, it's about 3. So it's going to be 6.3 centimeters. Now in millimeters, it's going to be 63, which is the equivalent to 63 millimeters. Now let's do another line. Do a little longer one. So this one, put our ruler there at the edge, not the edge of the ruler, but the line. That's where the counting begins, the ruler begins. Okay, this one, first of all, in centimeters, it's going to be a little over 95. We're going to call it 9.5 centimeters because there's the 9 and there's the half. Now, this is going to be 90 millimeters plus 5, so it's 95 millimeters. And just one more, we'll do a little short one for practice. Okay, so there's going to be our third example. Put the ruler on the line there. Okay, that looks like 2 centimeters and then a tenth. So that's 2.1 centimeters or 21 millimeters. Well, I hope you learn a little bit how to use the metric scale on the ruler. And I want to thank you for watching.